What's the meaning of altostratus? Altostratus. 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 Altostratus.
Altostratus is a type of cloud formation found at mid-level altitudes between 6,500 to 20,000 feet. It is typically composed of a thin, uniform, gray or blue-gray layer that can cover the entire sky. Altostratus clouds often form ahead of storm systems and can be a sign of upcoming precipitation. They can also be formed by warm air rising and creating a blanket-like layer of moisture. Although they are generally considered to be non-threatening, altostratus clouds can obscure the sun and create dull lighting conditions.